If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Okay, folks, Larry here. Hope you're doing well. I want to present to you two popular pens. The Visconti, I believe this is the Medic, and of course the fabulous Platinum 3776. Make sure I'm right on that because I'm very forgetful nowadays. And here they are. Italian pen, Japanese pen. More of a high-end pen, and this one was more of a mid-range pen, but has gone up in price now. So if you're interested in getting this pen, you better get them while the price is still in the range where affordable. But let me tell you, the pen is to die for. Both pens are to die for. Both are completely awesome. So it makes no difference. So what are you getting? Of course, you're going to get a different look. The Visconti is totally different compared to the Platinum. Both beautiful pens, both beautiful, excellent nibs. So let me get started with some Visconti blue ink, and I'm just going to dip it in because I'm the one that has to clean them. There. One time it took me about 8 months to clean some pens. Remember that, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, yes.
That was a trip. I wasn't feeling well. Remember, I was sick. They laid there, so I went in there sick or not and done them. So here we go. Visconti. Yeah. The one and only. Isn't that pretty ink? That blue? That's a pretty pen. And I believe it's a Medic, M-E-D-I-C. And this one has a broad nib. I know what you're going to add, and it's gold nib, of course. It's a gold nib. So, and remember, I just did that in some ink, so don't freak out if it's starting to go low on ink. And I'm going to do the same thing with this beautiful pen with some Irizuku Yamabudo ink. One of my favorite inks as well. Look at that. Mr. Announcer.
Okay, we shall return just in a second.
Mr. Announcer had to use his superhero powers to get this little sucker open. Blah! So there. I'm going to dip this little dim jewels right in their ink, and then we're going to begin to write because that's what we do. We write. We're supposed to. We write, or we complain, or we do both. Complaining is so easy. Criticizing is so easy. But it's some of us nature to do so. All right, Platinum. Oh, I love that. And the nib sizes are broad, I bet, if it's a C. This is going to be a 14K fine. I love it. Very nice nib. What do you guys think? Which one do you like? Do you prefer the broad nib, Visconti? I love it. Or the platinum 14K fine nib? I love it. Yes, I do have the broad and the extra fine and double broad, and I got all the platinums, I believe. So I thought I'd share that with you because people have been asking. So that's going to do it for today. And where can you find these pens? Well, you can go to Pen Boutique, Federalist Pens and Paper, and I believe just about anybody really carries them. They're kind of a universal across the table. You know, they're a popular pen. People want them. This is more expensive than this one. I think this one was 2 something. I think they're like 3 something now. I'm not sure. Or this one's about 6 something maybe. See, but well worth it. Am I glad I bought them? Yes. Do I love them? Dearly. So people have asked me about the Pelican. I've got a story to tell you and to show you later on. So, because I love all pens. I'm not particularly for just one brand, because I've always said I love all the pens. They have their own personality and they do me what I feel is just. So that's it, folks. Talk to you later. Peace and love. Take care. Bye-bye.